Welcome to No KYC VoIP, your ultimate professional desktop VoIP client designed to make high-quality voice calls effortlessly. On the main dashboard, you can immediately see your status, greeting message, and quickly navigate through your essential communication tools using the sidebar menu. Let's explore the powerful call spoofing feature right now, where you can easily display a custom caller ID and name, adjust voice pitch and voice effects for premium customization, or use the integrated number validation tool to verify phone numbers securely before initiating any call. Switching over to the interactive dialer interface, making a call is completely seamless. You can simply enter your target number, such as emergency services like 911, press the call button, and experience a secure, crystal-clear connection featuring high-definition audio indicators, encryption status, low latency, and quick access to standard call management options like hanging up or muting. Furthermore, the comprehensive management sidebar allows you to smoothly transition between tabs to review your complete call history with detailed timestamps and exact durations, organize your address book contacts, and monitor all call recordings, total recording duration, and storage usage in one centralized place. Finally, you can fully customize and secure your entire communication experience by navigating to the System Settings and Security tabs, where you can configure your SIP account parameters, server details, port settings, credentials, manage network connections with secure WebSockets, and enable robust security options like SRTP call encryption and anonymous call blocking for complete privacy and professional reliability, ensuring a completely seamless experience from start to finish.